welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if this is not your first time. So my name is Jessica, for those of you who do not know me, and today I'm going to be doing my weekly exfoliation routine, and I'm going to be showing you guys as I go along. So what I'll be using for my exfoliation is the Philosophy Microdelivery two-step peel, right? And it's once a week. This is what it looks like. So that's the resurfacing crystals. It is vitamin C peptide resurfacing crystals. They're microcrystals that helps to resurface the skin, and it infuses the skin with vitamin C and peptides, and it helps to rejuvenate and revitalize the skin. And it is activated with this. So it's activated with this lactic and salicylic acid activating gel. Now this helps to infuse the skin with vitamin C and peptides. Also, it acts as a form of secondary exfoliation because the lactic acid and the salicylic acid also, well, the lactic acid also exfoliate, and it helps to minimize the appearance of pores, lines, and wrinkles. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I've used it many times before. My skin is going to be so radiant and soft after I'm done. Like immediately after, you're going to be able to see a difference and feel a difference in your skin. All right, so let's begin. So this is what it looks like. The crystals, you see it's yellow and it smells like orange. It smells good, yummy. It's almost like you could eat it up. so this is it. I'm just gonna put it on my face. This is the first step. And while I'm doing it, I'm rubbing it in. So yeah, that's a form of exfoliation, to rub it in. If you have more sensitive skin, or if you have sensitive skin, then you know you just want to put it on and leave it like that. You don't want to like rub it too hard. Yeah. Well, for me, I'm getting in there, especially these parts where they could like blackhead like before, or whitehead. So I'm getting in there. All right here, all right here. So yeah, and right here always have some dry patches and some little white heads as well. So I'm like getting in there, get it in there, get it in there. All right, so that is on. Now I'm gonna put so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some in the middle of my hands. It's like you can't see it. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, like yeah, you can't see this white. So and then I'm just gonna put it on. You're gonna feel a warming sensation. At first you might freak out and say it's like burning your face, but it's not. You see how it foams? So it's activating the crystals to infuse the vitamin C into your pores. The salicylic acid is going to clean the pores. If you don't know anything about skincare or salicylic acid, it is used oftentimes used to treat acne because it kills the bacteria, right? So yeah, that's going to clean the pores and then infuse it with the vitamin C that's in the crystals. I'm just massaging it in. You don't have to do this, especially if you have sensitive skin. Yeah, you just want to put it on and leave it for the 2 to 3 minutes. But I'm like, I'm extra. Problem area, so yeah. So I'm done with that. Wash my hands and then just leave that off for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna be washing my face now, washing it off. It's been around 3 minutes. And now I'm gonna be washing my face. Now tip, it's good to do it like right before you jump into the shower, because all these crystals gonna take forever to come off right here. So yeah, I like to do it usually before I take a shower, but right now I'm filming, so I can't do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash it off. I think that's it. I think I got everything. Yeah. Woo. Okay, so I'm done. Let me just dry my face. I'm just using a paper towel to just dab my face, like, see? Okay. Now, one thing that I didn't do that I recommend doing it, and that's one of the reasons why I also recommend doing it before shower, is whenever you do skincare, you want to do your neck also and your décolleté, because when you're wearing like tops like this, you want to show here some love too, because you know right here ages also, you know, it shows your age. So you want to, anything that you're doing to your face, you want to come down and go up, you know. So yeah, but then you know it's harder to get off, because then the crystals will come all the way down and it will be a mess, and that's why I would recommend jumping in the shower and just take a shower right then and there. But yeah, I always recommend doing your neck and décolleté. All right, so let's look at the final results. Like, now I just need to add to finish the rest of my skincare regimen, you know, to add some moisture back to my skin. Like you can see, and my skin feels so soft and smooth. So yeah, so yeah, that's it for my weekly exfoliating routine. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my skincare, you know, just to add, you know, some treatment, moisturizer, and the works, and that's about it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy my weekly exfoliation routine. Yeah, comment down below and let me know, you know, what you guys think, if it's something that you're interested in trying, and what you guys do for your exfoliating routine. You know it's very important to exfoliate the skin, because it helps with, you know, resurfacing the skin, cell turnover. It helps to fade you know, spots. Like I have some spots right here, so it does help. Whenever your skin renews and turn over, it erases, like, you know, a layer of dark spots. So if you're, you know, if you have problems with pigmentation and spot, like dark spots, I would definitely encourage you to put some form of exfoliation into your skincare routine. All right, so until next time, be sure to subscribe, you know, like, show me some love, and share with someone that you think will benefit. Until next time, bye. I'll see you in my next video.